Imagine capturing leads through interactive content and having them instantly organized, segmented, and ready for personalized email flows without lifting a finger. In this video, we'll connect Outgrow with Klaviyo, so your lead generation and email marketing work seamlessly together. Start by heading over to your Outgrow dashboard and opening the content piece you want to integrate. Inside the builder, move to the Configure section and open Integrations. From the list of available apps, select Klaviyo and select Authenticate with Klaviyo to start the connection. You'll be redirected to Klaviyo, where you'll log in using your credentials. Once logged in, click Allow to grant Outgrow permission to send data to your Klaviyo account. After authentication, you'll return to Outgrow, where you can now define how your data should flow. You'll have the option to send leads either to a list or based on a segment. Then click on Proceed to Map fields. If you choose a list, simply select the Klaviyo list, where all your leads should be added. At this point, you'll also choose how leads are added, and this is important. Klaviyo offers two methods: Members, which adds leads directly to your list instantly. Subscribe, which adds leads through a double opt-in process. Once that's set, continue to the Field Mapping section. This is where you match the data collected in Outgrow with the properties inside Klaviyo. You can use the Automap feature to align common fields like name and email quickly, and then manually review or add more fields as needed. After everything is mapped, go ahead and test the connection. A confirmation message will indicate that your integration is active. If needed, you can also enable double opt-in via email or SMS in the final setup step to ensure your subscribers are verified. Before making it live, it's always a good idea to run a quick test. Submit a sample response through your content. Then click on Task History to check your contacts. You should see the new contact created along with the mapped information. If everything appears correctly, your integration is working perfectly. Once everything looks good, publish the changes. And that's it. Your Outgrow and Klaviyo integration is now fully set up. Now, your interactive content isn't just collecting leads, it's automatically feeding a smarter, more personalized marketing system. Ready to turn your leads into meaningful customer journeys? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and connect it with Klaviyo to automate smarter, more personalized marketing.